Hi, this screencast captures the exercise we performed at the Expert Talks meetup, Big Data with Hadoop, Part 2, conducted on the 24th of August, 2013. Here, we'll write and run a first Apache Pig script to run MapReduce jobs on some weather data. So the scripts and the data that I'm referring to are available on GitHub at this public repository that you now see on the screen. And the data that we're going to use is weather observations available via the NCDC in the public domain. You can just Google for it. They have an FTP location that you can pull down the files from. Apache Pig it consists of two parts. Um, uh, it consists of two parts. One is it is the Pig Latin is a data flow language, and Apache Pig also has the execution environment, which is used to run scripts written in Pig Latin, either in a local mode or on the Hadoop cluster. So here, when you develop and um, debug your scripts, you can use local mode, and then once you deploy them, you can run them on the Hadoop cluster. Let's first look at the data that we have, um, and so I have pulled down the data for all of 2012, and for the sake of this screencast, we are just using a file that has the first 10,000 lines of it. As you can see, this data consists of one record per line, and the data elements are comma separated. Uh, The only elements that we are really interested in at this point is this first column, which is a station ID for the weather station. The second one is a date. The third one is the nature of the observation. So snow is just snowfall. PRCP is precipitation or rainfall. Tmax and Tmin are the highest and lowest temperatures. And the very next column has the numeric value for the particular observation. So in this case, the temperature was a maximum of 72 degrees Fahrenheit at this particular weather station on the 1st of January 2012. So uh, let's begin writing a pig script that will help us process this file and essentially any files that have the same format. Um, uh, you can basically use the same syntax for a single line comment in Apache Pig as you do with SQL. So you can begin the you know, anything that begins with two dashes in the first two columns is a comment in Apache Pig. So let's say we wanted to find the highest rainfall. So with Pig, uh, you can perform all of the operations that you want to do with your data, including things like load. Load is essentially uh, getting Pig to read the file, the data that you have in a way that Pig can make sense of it. Once you have the data that you want to work on, then you begin operations like filter.